Today we're making pumpkin scones, and it's really easy. So to start, you have to make a little base mix, and you do that by taking some flour, some sugar, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and some butter. All in the mixer. And then you're just gonna let that mix up for about 10 minutes. Nice dry consistency, no lumps of butter in here. Everything is well mixed, and that's exactly what you want. So now you want to add in some flavor. Pumpkin, 1 egg, really good vanilla, and a ½ teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Gently stir this together, maybe a tablespoon. This is what you're looking for. It's going to be a little bit dry. Perfect. Put this right into a 350-degree oven. They took 17 minutes to cook all the way. The next step is making the glaze. Take a ½ cup of confectioner sugar and add some maple syrup to make a glaze. That was 2 tablespoons total for a ½ cup of powdered sugar. Then take your scones and dip them right in. And top with a couple pepitas. You just have to be a little bit careful if the scones are still pretty hot. If they're a little fragile, you gotta be careful. There you go. Maple pumpkin scones. Perfect for fall.